One pastor don't die under in two-story building foundation where this man they build. In fact, then this building just collapsed to the ground. Hey, now wow, things they happen. We gotta say this 55 years old pastor of Divine Light Prophetic Mission for Ikorodu, Lagos State. This incident happened after these people where they build and this construction site engineers. They talk say they won't go Idil Kabir break, say they won't go on holiday. I no know what this man find. Go there, be an inspection, no, be an wait, be an village people send and go the place. Now there, this man go there before we go see Igbagada. Everything don't scatter put for his head. My people are beg, make now follow me watch. Now wow, I beg make this man soul rest in peace. Because this kind of incident I don't even understand. How person go just there, they don't build this thing since people they work for there since this thing no collapse. Why be said the day where you, the owner of this place can't go there another day this thing can't collapse. But according to our source, the National Emergency Management team, as they go there, as they do the inspection, they talk say, they notice say the ground of this place, it like say the ground no strong. They don't put enough sand and the equipment so they use to build this thing, then it is na pakolowe. All this iron will be said they're not even strong, and they use to build up. I want to wonder now the pastor are supposed to blame being the constructor. You know say this thing where they use to build this thing, the thing no good. I beg go. Why you can't start to do this in the first place? But me, I still they thankful. Say now only one person died because what if say they build this church finish? Members, thousands of members come there, they say, I don't want to do Thanksgiving. As they dance, they shake body. Now there this building can go collapse, kill everybody. I beg waiting for talk. We for talk say another thing, but at least this one only one person. But I beg, I don't know be this one a negligence. You know say the building over dry, they just build this thing. The thing over dry, you can't carry but wait. You wait past cement because how this thing even fall themselves, I don't even understand. One person I climb and the thing. If say now 20 people come there on top, the thing will just break, destroy the whole land. Because I don't understand. Now there me a reason I say it be like a spiritual matter dey inside this one. It be like say your village people no want make progress as pastor. Now they enter your matter. Now you come do this one to you. Or make we just reason and say okay, as government talk, say the sand where they use is no good. But I beg you where they build, you suppose they reason people where they build house. If now even giving a constructor money, make now go there go check. They fit talk say one bag of cement and they go use, make they use water, mix am with eba, they build the thing for you. So maybe all this one self join, I make the thing no even last at all. Now make the building where they build come destroy. Because now, me, my only solution, may they find this constructor. May I arrest, they go arrest them, may I waiting, may they come ask some questions. Oh God, beg. As you build this thing, which kind of materials you use? Maybe na inferior things you use. I mean, maybe na the pastor won't go. You know, say some people say, stinginess, they their DNA. If they say bring money, he go say no. If they say this thing na 1,000, he go decide say he go market by himself, go buy it for 250. Maybe na this pastor now out of stinginess, come decide okay, make I go buy my materials by myself. Come go buy fake things, come drop. Come use and build this up. So we're supposed to call this man, ask some question. This constructor, call them together, ask them question, how this thing they be. And if not from their own mistake, may they arrest them. Because now so other places they will not go here say a building for this one only for Lagos State. Only inside that Lagos now be say building. Why? Our constructor they no go school of a building. I mean a carpenter work they go learn first to the build house because I know they even understand. How they go just fall down just like that. It means say something they wrong. Make a call even artists say they get people where be say if you start to the build house, they will come check your land. I mean that one not there here. Because I know say even ordinary small Ghana, they get some people. All those TMA people, if you don't build, they will come check your house. Any small mistake, they don't cross them with red ink. Cancel them. But inside this Nigeria, it don't be like that. If you don't settle on money, you don't close. Settle ballet, case close. In fact, if you even build house with rubber nylon, they no go complain. It means that now we they do ourselves, now we they kill ourselves. So as Nigerians, make we change, make we use this one and learn things. If you want build, if you know say you no get money, sit down, build Paco house. Any day when you get money, you build your better house. But if you know say you no get, learn no. This one where people they get anyhow now. Hope say this one, it go make people learn things. My people are here this one. I want to make a bring and come, make a service now here. There will see they happen. Anything what just here now, make you don't forget to write out inside the comment section. Make you don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video. Zenith Bank security personnel don't come outside. They talk how they take connive with armed robbers on how they will take the thief custom. And this one they happen inside Delta State. Hey, una they see all these bankers. Una don't they say and say all this robbery where they happen. And they always talk and say inside person they dey inside this whole thing. The guy now talks in him and the manager. Say the manager now they do this kind of thing. Manager where name now Raphael Egbedome. I believe they even call him. Say this man now they talk follow all these armed robbers they talk. So if let's say if person carry one kind big money come, now this man will come talk say okay oh I'm robber so I don't give in a contract making a come our bank. Come why people just some people when they just wicked, but why people are making a using their mouth. Yeah, let's see here. Making a using their ear here for yourself and this man take confess by himself.
The how many banks say the manager organized rob? Agbo branch.
2003.
2003.
2004. Forget the year.
Forget the year.
Yeah. And Okada branch.
Nice arrange.
Yes.
Nice arrange for Okada and rob Okada.
Yeah.
And where again?
And Ekpo.
I put 3 branch.
Yes.
Then arrange rob. Okay. Oh wow. You sure now arrange the people that do the robbery?
He's the one.
Eh?
He's the one.
Okay. What will be your manager name?
Raphael Egbedome.
Raphael Egbedome. Okay.
So because make which
from there you make a huge money, abi?
I say he have been robbing.
Have been robbing.
That he is a bad man.
Okay.
You getting it?
Okay.
To leave him alone.
Okay, no worry.
I don't want any trouble.
because
In fact, are they glad? In fact, over glad say they catch this man. Because then this bank, they do this kind of thing since. You fit put money inside bank, your money go just disappear. Then na God, miraculously, you know go just see your money. Carry yourself, go if like go there from morning to night. Then this bank people. Now so they're gonna toss you up and down. Go here, go here. That money is last you no go even see them. Even sometimes if they come out your money for you, if you no go bank, go and play say bank on no come out my money. They go do like say they don't even remember say they come out any money. It means all this stuff when they do them on purpose. It means that they get inside person where they do all this kind of thing. All this bank, see a whole manager. When we say they collect money inside phone cash out. Maybe even reason say security person, maybe they know they pay and better money. They are 20,000, be 5,000 they give them. Encourage us okay, making they do all this kind of thing. But all this kind of thing, it makes sense. If say you meet the customer, say I beg you, customer, tip me. At least I should say from the small tip when they receive every day, I go they gather some small change. This one on my conscience to go all the way far. And not be now in a year. Say 2014, 20 this one. That means this man only do this thing since more than 5 years. Now bank manager don't do this kind of thing. And I should say by now, he go down to one kind big oga for the bank. He go they wait Zenith Bank, a whole Zenith Bank. He go they wait say if they don't promote, if you don't talk to oga pata. When you don't they reach in retirement, and then will come do in last tiffin. It means that people just get naturally wicked. People they just be natural thieves. Thieves just they grow inside their blood because I don't even know if I want to talk this one. One problem they will never finish them. Now bank now won't come talk. But see that means bank never even they say make everybody just go buy polo. They put in money inside polo because this one now. So now you go here say bank go or should say go break this one. It means in a person. I don't always even talk and say how person armed robbers go bank. They go see here, they know the entrance of the place, know the house, know in fact, know where money dey. It means that this thing na planting, in fact, na set up. Then they plan this whole thing before the next thief they even go there. But see this man, ain't they even try to cover the manager. Say ain't no one problem. Now the effects even catch him. What if they cover manager where they do bad thing for? So you get right now, may they arrest you, but manager may they leave him. I mean because they fear say ain't go fit pay way out. But as long as say you don't use your mouth to confess this kind of thing, it means say in fact they go catch this manager. And all the accomplice, and I sure say this one say it go open eye for all those other banks where say na thief, na they thief. And just as they catch this man now, everybody eye go clear. Maybe people now say to they even put money for bank, and people go they fear. Because you put money safe nowadays, the way they even thief inside bank, ordinary ATM if you go there, thief don't they wait for as they come out and so. It can't be like say all this thing are planting. So it be like all this thing they know do, but thank God say they don't catch this one. I should say other banks now. There are people where they thief inside there, their eye go clear, they go reduce their thiefing. My people I beg, I hear this one. Of course, make a bring and come, making herself using her ear. Here we see they happen inside this Nigeria where we did. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.